First, a conceptual aside. Specifications. Big word alert. A specification is a standard of precise requirements, and internet technologies overall are governed by many specifications. There are organizations in charge of writing and maintaining these specifications. And then all of us who work in these fields benefit by following these specifications. Sometimes we just call it the spec. So there's an HTML specification. There's a CSS specification. In this course, you're going to learn how to read the specs. We're going to dive into them. And what that will do is enable you to teach yourself. By knowing what a specification is and then being able to use it, as technology changes, which it always will as new things are added, you won't always have to come back to courses like this one. You'll be able to read the specification, make decisions, and keep yourself up to date. Maybe that means that I won't be selling you a huge sequel to this course, but it does mean that you'll benefit, that you'll progress in your skill as an HTML author. And that's my goal. Let's move on.